We're Ilisu Consultants, an established South African engineering company operating for over 25 years. Specializing in structural, civil, water, and environmental engineering. We bring your vision to life with precision, expertise, and professionalism. Ilisu advises and assists companies on a number of diverse specialist engineering solutions. From renovations and additions to new builds and remodeling, our experienced team tackles projects of all sizes and complexities. Choose Ilisu Consultants. Contact us today for a consultation and let us build a better tomorrow.